Hello my country people, welcome to my channel once more. Now Dr. STN where they talk to you for this channel. So and wetin we dey talk today now for news wey concern health industry for this July 2021. How you dey? How una dey? How this country dey treat you so? Anyway, before we start, no forget to subscribe, no forget to put on notification, come follow me for this my channel. Make you dey get gbedu, make you dey get the news as e dey hot. Oya, listen to the headlines wey I carry come for you today. Number one be say monkeypox don dey climb ladder for our country. We don dey win TB 1-0 for first half of the game. TB na tuberculosis. Our senior man Sultan don kpeme from cancer. Lagos State don remove housemanship and NYSC doctors from people wey dey go dey pay salary. The teaching hospital don sack 6 doctors, say they don abandon work, comot wetin concern them. For COVID-19 matter, COVID-19 don dey dish us third wave. And dem don ask Lagos University students make dem carry their bag dey waka home, say they no dey do again. Again, dem talk say we don finish first phase of COVID vaccination officially. And when we touch global news, we hear say Oga Kpata from France don come put some kind rules, say people wey get coconut head for this vaccine matter no go dey enjoy some kind things. South Africa don make am. They go be the first African country to make Pfizer COVID vaccines. Last na Olympics and COVID-19 virus stories wey I go dish you so. No forget to subscribe. Stay tuned and get the details of the news. For this monkeypox matter, na so United Kingdom come notify WHO say e get one monkeypox case wey dem get. That thing na for May 25th wey dem do the notification. They say the person bin enter country on 8th May. And this person bin dey work and live for Delta State. This our backyard Delta State for Naija here. As we dey talk am join, US come say dem get person wey come area for July 16, wey don come back their area, come carry that kind sick, that kind something they no understand, and they don test am say na monkeypox. Na so our oga NCDC, Dr. Chikwe Ihekwazu, come confirm say monkeypox dey town. Say we don already get 59 suspected cases and 15 confirmed cases. Omo, e be things. This disease don dey do us 1-2 since when e show face for September 2017. E don even share breakfast, share 18 states for this country, especially for southern part of this country. So, people wey get the disease, they talk say their body dey hot. They see one kind craw for their body and their lymph nodes come dey swell. This disease na from wild animal they get am so, but you fit get am from your fellow human being. For 10 people wey get the disease, 1 fit kpeme, and from am, especially people wey no get strong immune system again, make una dey chop well, una no dey hear. People wey no get strong immune system again and people wey dey young, e go better make you fast go hospital if you notice say your body dey change somehow from how e been dey. For the TB matter, the ogbonge people of National Tuberculosis, as they dey call themselves, National Tuberculosis, Borderline Ulcer and Leprosy Control Program, been join hand with Oga Kpata for people of health wey be WHO and the other senior men for TB, come announce say we dey play TB 1-0 for their non-friendly match. They talk say na them get this goal from upper hand because they don gain for level of notification of cases wey dem dey get. Notifying of TB cases dey important because e dey for our strategy board on how to comot TB kpata from our country. And na so say dem never notify this TB case be say drug never start. So if you know person wey get am, abeg ring bell, blow whistle, make we dey catch the person sharp. Person wey get TB fit complain of any of these things. If he talk say he don get cough wey don reach 2 weeks or more, if he talk say that cough he dey cough out blood, if he complain again saying they get chest pain or pain as in they breathe or in the cough, then if they they lose weight, they tired anyhow, get hot body and night sweats. If you know anyone or say na you they get this kind thing, abeg take run quick run go hospital where they near you, make them check you, sure say you no get TB and make they treat you sharply. Our better strong singer and Jabajantis crooner, Sultan, don doff cap comot for this life where we dey so. He sign off on July 11th, 2021 after battling with angioimmunoblastic T-cell lymphoma. That disease na type of cancer wey im be. Im dey affect some blood cells called T-cells. These T-cells na part of our military cells called the white blood cell wey dey help our body fight some kind infections. Sultan been there 44 years and im bin leave beautiful wife, in 3 children, in siblings and in friends and family members. Im get better stamp for entertainment industry. Im stamp himself a better singer, rapper, music writer, comedian, record producer, executive producer and basketball club co-owner. Only one person na im do all these things. This thing called cancer, im don dey top chart since 30. Im don collect nearly 10 million souls last year alone, and im come be like say na 2.5 times wetin COVID collect last year alone. You fit reduce this cancer burden or the risk by catching it early or maintaining some good lifestyle habits like commoting anything wey concern smoking patapata, reducing alcohol booze. You begin to dey do some kind fit farm things and gymming, na im dey call exercise. Chop better food, no be to dey chop pizza every day. E no dey tire you. And go get vaccination for wetin concern vaccines and the rest. For that cancer chart, na breast, lung, colorectal, prostate and skin cancers be the big clubs all over the world. Na dem dey top the matter for cancer. For Lagos State, na so one kind unconfirmed circular come go viral this month. The circular talk say Lagos government no go dey pay house officers and NYSC doctors again. E be like say they wan imitate federal government wey don do their own since April this year. Federal government bin claim say dem fit give optional allowance payment, but say dem no go pay. Dem no go dey pay the monthly salary. The circular talk say dem be decide this because those doctors still dey train for that level and never reach to collect small soap from government. Abia State University Teaching Hospital, they don sack 6 doctors as they claim say doctors do them 30. They chop money, clean mouth, no do work. The oga patapata of the hospital, Dr. Shedrack Ofia, talk say the hospital management be take this decision to cut the liver of other doctors wey be dey think that kind thing, wey they go think say they go use official work time come dey do some kind private works for the urgent 2k, you know na, and to discourage good staff who dey collect soap but no dey work. Him be talk say the hospital paid 3 months in June, yet some doctors wey don leave since still come collect salaries. Oga talk say he no go allow that kind thing happen again. Come warn everybody say anybody wey no come work this August, he no dey collect soap. Meanwhile, Dr. Nnamdi Rondo, the presido of the resident doctors for that hospital, he come talk say their own no be to dey fight. Their own be say make dem kukuma find lasting solutions to the plenty problems wey dey the hospital. Say dem no get strength fight again. They no get strength fight the management. No be person wey shop dey fight. So he talk say workers dem never pay suppose go collect their soap on a normal level. He say the institution no get accreditation again since 6 months ago, as their governor Okezi Ikpeazu, no be talk and do. After he never give them the 80 million naira wey he promised for the accreditation. For this COVID-19 disease matter, Oga NCDC Dr. Chikwu Ihekwazu, he don warn us again say the country dey for high risk of COVID cases wey dey climb ladder. He talk say the risk come dey higher now as the COVID virus don go change am for us, come bring Delta variant wey no dey smile. They talk say this new variant don already dey for 104 countries for this world. Now wow! Oga don beg Nigerians say make we no take this COVID play, make we take better responsibility to protect our lives and our loved ones. He talk say make we remember say na only once wey we go live. He talk say we should remember say this COVID preventing work no be government alone get the work, say na me and you, all of us get hand join for the prevention. Dem don notice say passengers from high risk countries like India, Turkey, Brazil, say all of them suppose, many of them wey suppose dey quarantine, they dey do coconut head, come dey violate health protocols. Im beg say make we dey help ourselves, do wetin we suppose do, make we no die. As the third wave don show so, management of Unilag come announce indefinite closure, say oya everybody pack your bag comot dey go home, we no dey do again, we go dey do am for, we go dey see for internet. Dis thing happen since 15 July. Dem no get strike talk any kind planty with anybody for dis COVID matter. They talk say na person wey dey alive na im dey go school, so dem don shift the school matter go online. Wahala for who no come online come join online meeting sha o. Dem don discover say some students don sharp carry the kind virus sef since they open for May. Now they no get strength again to talk any kind long tori. Make everybody go home, subscribe, join online class wey already start since this Monday, July 26th. Lagos State University LASU talk say dem dey on alert too. If the virus come give dem head do any kind rough play, omo na to blow whistle sharply. But until then sha, dem don mandate make all man dey follow strict adherence to wetin dem be tell dem to dey do for dis COVID-19 preventive matter. The National Primary Health Care Development Agency im don talk say Nigeria don officially pass the first vaccination phase and go soon begin the second phase. Dem talk say the vaccine wey we dey take get at least 88% strong against this new one wey they call Delta variant, wey dey form senior man everywhere. For this vaccination exercise, we been record only 14,550 cases of mild or moderate disease and 148 severe cases from the immunization, but no death, nobody from the vaccination. The oga madam of the agency, Dr. Fasil Chuaib, im talk say anyone wey dey 18 years or more go fit take the COVID-19 vaccine, whether you dey pregnant or say you dey breastfeed baby. You see am now, you no get excuse, go and get your vaccine. Make wetin dey happen for France no reach you before you know say you go get vaccine. Welcome my people. Oya, make we touch go global news. France don enter rush hours with the talk so as their #1 senior man, President Emmanuel Macron, come say he come make some kind hot pepper soup announcement for coconut heads wey no gree go take vaccine. In fact, one website wey dem fit book vaccination appointment talk say they recorded up to 1.7 million more appointments in the first 24 hours as the oga talk that kind thing. Oga talk say last na true say vaccination no be by force, but as long as say you be health worker from France, you must collect. Im talk say if you wan go cinema or board a train or use the restaurant or cafe or shopping centers, you get two options. Either say show say you don collect vaccine or show say you no get the virus at all. If not, both you and that business go hear am. Dem say businesses wey no dey check whether clients get health pass go start with a fine of 1,500 euros. Make we enter am for calculator for naira, im be 730k, something like that. And if they repeat am, dem go collect bigger tickets. Other countries wey don pass that kind shocking laws for COVID matter na Australia, Britain, Canada, Greece, Italy, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Poland, Russia, Saudi Arabia and Turkmenistan. Pfizer been announce say South Africa don make am. They talk say one firm for South Africa go begin dey produce the Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine from 2022, and they go be the first African country that will be producing those things, the vaccine for this Africa. So they talk say the production go begin with a goal of more than 100 million finished doses per year, and dem plan say this production e go serve the 54 countries wey dey Africa. Also, another SA company don dey already produce the Johnson & Johnson's vaccine since tey. The firm na Aspen Pharmacare factory in Gebeha, wey be dey call Port Elizabeth. Last na to carry this COVID-19 matter enter Olympics. The supposed 2020 Tokyo Olympics game don finally kick off. E then kick am off for Friday, July 23, 2021, after COVID don shift and go 1 year unwanted break. We dey expect say about 11,091 athletes from 206 countries go dey this year's competition. So far, 6 athletes from Team USA don go home. They don tell them, oya carry waka dey go, because dem test positive to COVID-19. On Monday 26 July, the organisers bin tok say 16 more Olympic cases don join show face, making it total of 148 since July 1 when they started the preliminary testing. The pandemic don change the event too much, sotey fans no dey come watch anything wey they like for this Tokyo game. E choke. As we don come to the end of this news, I go give you other jara wey you go feel like for this our news matter so. But before then, remember say na Dr. STM dey talk to you, so no forget subscribe for this my channel. I go come wallop you if you no do am. Subscribe for this channel, put on notification, make the thing dey do you girim for ear if STM come post any video. Oya, make we talk matter for the headlines. Number one be say CBN don disburse 97.8 billion naira for healthcare projects. And then some testing and isolation centers don dey shut down in states despite the COVID-19 third wave. Then, if you are curious to know why NAFDAC never gree approve any herbal medicine for COVID-19 treatment, you go still follow. Federal government don commence payment of benefits to doctors wey don 1.7 million children wey live with HIV bin miss their treatment last year 2020. Nigeria don talk say they go deport foreigners wey no get COVID PCR test results. USA don launch $10 million to treat obstetric fistula in Nigeria. Health experts dey find more effective and affordable vaccines to carry this ogbonge fight against tuberculosis. Hepatitis wey no dey diagnosed or treated dey kill African people up to 124,000 every year. They talk say federal government don vote 37.5 billion naira as hazard allowances for health workers. WHO don publish new consolidated HIV guidelines for prevention, treatment, service, delivery and monitoring of HIV. If you wan know more about these news headlines wey I don come now, follow, go see my description. You go see link for all of them there where you go follow, go read am wella. Make I ask you, you know say malaria get vaccine? If we bring malaria vaccine, you go collect am, abi you go find one kind tori come dish us again? That one na your answer, na for you to answer. Na me still be Dr. STM, your ogbonge madam for this news. Put on your notification and subscribe so that you go to hear STM as she don't drop any video. Thank you for this.